up with the take it in the ass, man. You keep on bringing it up, obviously you take it in the
Everybody already knows.
ass. What's Zach trying to do?
Is he gonna copy what that guy did?
Anybody have a screwdriver?
Oh!
Oh!
You did a wheelie, man. That was pretty good. Pretty good.
Wait, Zach, he's coming.
Oh, yeah, come close. Oh, really? Barbie? Guys, come on.
Of course we are.
Come on, why are you snapping fingers like that?
Ooh. The next pro in line. The next pro.
Where?
Did you get that? Bag. He looks like Justin Bieber. Here's the next pro.
Hey, fucker. What are you doing?
Here's the next pro.
Oh, shit.
See how pro he is? He just faked that. Intense skills.
Huh?
Intense skills. That was actually the best fakie. With the pro right there. Holy shit.